This is a, wait, where's my TBS Tango 2? This is a follow-up video to my setup guide of the TBS Tango 2. In that video, I went through the whole process of how to set this up, including all the callouts. I added the download links. However, there was one omission I left out, and that was how to add the sounds to the actual controller. So I just wanted to right that wrong that I made and make an additional follow-up video showing you how to add the sounds. Even though in the download folder, there is a set of instructions that I made afterwards, I prefer to make a video as some people prefer that. Okay, the first thing you want to do is open up a browser of your choice and then visit my website in the link in the description down below, or just dimmyv.com. And on my website there is a download link. Just click on that, and on this page I have a couple of downloads available and I'm working on some more. But in the meantime, I have a drone mission template, but the one you're interested in is the TBS Tango 2 sound pack. And then all you have to do is fill in your details here. And once you've filled in your details, just click register. And then the link is available here for you to download, and you just click here, download. Once the file has downloaded, just go to your download section. We open up that folder. You'll see several folders inside. There, I've included as well the TBS Tango 2 manual. And there's some screenshots here as well of all the settings from my previous video. So if you need to look at those are available too. The one you're interested in is the sound pack. And obviously I have a set of instructions within that sound pack, and you've got a basic sound pack and the Top Gun sound effects as well that I've showed in my previous video. Now to install them is fairly simple. Make sure you use a USB that is data and a charge cable. We want to plug in our TBS Tango 2. Now you should see two drives appear. One is called Tango 2. This is the actual firmware of your Tango. Do not touch this. The second drive will have a name. Mine happens to say no name. And this is the SD contents of your Tango 2. At this point, it'll be a good idea to back up this SD contents into a separate folder stored externally. That would be my advice. However, now to add the sound packs, all you need to do is navigate to where those sounds are kept. So it's pretty straightforward. It actually says sounds here, so that's a good indicator. We open up this folder, and now as you can see, there's several languages here. So select the language of your choice. In this case, we're gonna select EN for English. And these are all the files where you play the tracks for your sounds. So all you need to do now is literally highlight all the sounds you want and then just copy those or drag those to the folders here. Once you have copied across those files, you can close these folders. We want to eject the drive, and now we can scroll to page 8 of our special functions under our Tango 2, and then we can now select the tracks that we just added for our Tango 2. And that is it. Thanks for watching and enjoy the download. The download is free. If you wish to thank me, you can give this video a like, subscribe for future videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.